Welcome back. So guys, yesterday I made a video on how you can be able to make over 11,000 TRX coin in 24 hours, and on that video I made a promise that I'll be giving out $1 worth of BNB smart chain each to 25 persons randomly. Okay, and these are the 25 lucky winners of that giveaway. Okay, so please go check your wallet and let me know at the comment section if you received your $1 worth of BNB smart chain or not. Okay, and if you want to join my next giveaway, guys, you have to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so if I head on to Trust Wallet, these are the payment. Okay, I sent them this payment this morning, that is around 1:20 a.m. okay, so check your wallet and let me know now at the comment section below if you received yours, and if you want to join my next giveaway, you have to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, so anytime any day I post a new video right here now, you will get notified by YouTube. All right, now let's go to the main video, and here now I am going to show you how you can easily mine BNB smart chain on Trust Wallet. What's up guys, welcome back. This is your boy Emmanuel. So in this video I am also going to be withdrawing another 0.165 BNB of this BNB AI miner.online website. Okay, so this is a BNB mining site where you could invest your BNB and make over 10% of it every single day. Okay, and I am going to withdraw this 0.165 BNB right here now in this video. Before I withdraw, this is the current amount of BNB I have here on Trust Wallet. I have over 0.08179,623 BNB. Now let's go back to the site and let me withdraw, and let's confirm if it is still paying or not. I'm just going to hit to withdraw your BNB now. Once I click on withdraw your BNB, I'll have to just click approve. All right, and now it says transaction sent and confirmed. Now let's go check my Trust Wallet new account balance. Let me refresh the page, and here I now have 0.23861 for BNB, equivalent to $75.15. okay, so now you have just confirmed again that this website is still paying and still 100% legit currently. Okay, so you get the link to this website now in these videos, the description box, and once you click on the link, you'll be taken to this page over here now, and here now you copy out this link. Okay, so you copy out this link this way by just clicking copy and head over to your Trust Wallet account, and you click on browser. Okay, so take note, you need to invest to make money or to mine BNB using this site, and it only works on Trust Wallet and MetaMask. Okay, so here to start mining, just click on browser. Once you click on browser, you have to paste the link you copied right here now in your Trust Wallet search bar. Okay, after that you click enter, and here now you'll be taken to the BNB AI miner.online. okay, and here you have to first of all change your network from Ethereum to BNB smart chain. Okay, so click on Ethereum network and they change it from Ethereum to BNB smart chain. All right, then you click connect. Okay, and you click on this button here now at the upper right corner. All right, you click on it and you click on reload. Okay, then after that you then have to scroll down, and you see here that the site has been connected to your wallet. Okay, so now this is the BNB again. Now it is now mining again. Okay, and you can withdraw anytime, any day you want. You can even withdraw unlimited times every single day. So now to invest, you have to come down here and enter the amount of BNB you want to invest here now. After entering it, you click hire miners. Once you click on hire miners, then you have to go and approve the transaction. Okay, and after that you'll be given mining powers. Okay, so the bigger the BNB you invest, the bigger the miners you will get. Okay, I have over 107,000 miners here now in my account, and that's why I'm making so much BNB off the site. Okay, so after that, once you have paid for everything, that is once you have bought the miners with your BNB, you have to just come down here now and you will see it mining right here now, just like my own. Okay, and do not forget that the more BNB you invest in now, the more mining powers and the more faster you make money off this site. Okay, so to withdraw, just click on this button here now with the name withdraw your BNB. Okay, and anytime you click on boost mining power here now, the amount of BNB you have mined here now will be reinvested. Okay, so boosting mining power in other words means reinvesting. Okay guys, so here they also have over 3 level referral system offering you 5% from the level 1, 4% from the level 2, and 3% from the level 3. So just copy out your ref link this way now by just clicking copy, and you can start inviting your friends from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, TikTok, and any social network you prefer. Okay, so guys, do not forget that you have to invest at your own risk and invest what you can afford to lose, as I am not a financial advisor. Okay, so give this video a thumbs up, guys, if you want to see more videos on how to make money online with cryptocurrency from this channel. Okay, so once again, guys, thank you for watching, guys. Stay safe and God bless. Peace out.